Hello babes! Today I'm going to do a short video on how to access Google Classroom and how to use it. So the first step is to go to your Launchpad. You can find that through the Merritt Island High School homepage. Click the little Launchpad and log in. And then you're going to have the Google Classroom app, or Google Apps for Sharing is another way to find it. For you, it will look somewhat different, but you will then be able to go up top here and press the plus and join a class code if you haven't already, but it is linked to Focus, so as long as your teachers have already added it in Focus, it should automatically link you to that once you log into Focus. So I'm going to click on my second period biology class. And you can see this is the stream, so this shows you how and when I've kind of added things, and it's kind of confusing to look at the information here. What I recommend is that you go to classwork, and you can see that it's organized by topics on the left side here, and it will show you the different assignments. So the first couple days, obviously, we're going to be doing the back to school paperwork. And then it'll show you a lot of our future assignments for chapters 1 and 2. And then you can also go back to the stream, and you can please note that it does show you what's coming up. Due dates are over here, so that's probably the easiest way to find things. Please look out for any assignments in here. There's questions posted after you go through the material. A lot of this material we will be doing in class, so just keep that in mind. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you later.